Welcome to a glimpse into the future of military technology, where science fiction becomes reality. Today, we're exploring China's next-generation weapons and innovations expected between 2025 and 2050. We'll break down 7 areas where China is making world-leading progress, from AI-driven warfare to quantum breakthroughs. This isn't just about bigger missiles, it's about a complete reimagining of military doctrine. Let's dive into the cutting-edge advancements shaping tomorrow's battlefield. First up, hypersonic missiles. Anything traveling at least Mach 5 or over a mile per second. The real breakthrough is combining speed with maneuverability, making these missiles nearly impossible to intercept. China's DF-17, carrying a DFZF hypersonic glide vehicle, launches into the upper atmosphere, then detaches and surfs unpredictably toward its target. This bypasses traditional missile defenses and signals a leap in long-range precision strike. The engineering, heat-resistant materials, split-second controls is on another level. China isn't just catching up. In some areas, they're aiming to lead. Next, autonomous combat drones, AI-powered swarms that operate with minimal human input. China is developing everything from expendable recon drones to loyal wingman armed UAVs that fly alongside piloted jets. Swarms can overwhelm defenses, conduct surveillance or launch strikes, all coordinated by advanced AI. The real challenge? Building AI that can adapt, distinguish friend from foe, and make split-second decisions. China sees this as a cornerstone of future warfare. Now, quantum communication networks, possibly the most important tech on this list. Quantum key distribution uses the laws of physics to create unhackable encryption. Any eavesdropping is instantly detected. China leads here with the Meteor satellite and thousands of kilometers of quantum-secured networks. For the military, this means communications immune to hacking, a massive edge in cyber warfare. It's the ultimate secure line. Let's talk next-gen stealth aircraft, reducing detection range, not invisibility. China's J-20 fighter and upcoming H-20 stealth bomber push the envelope in radar-evading design and long-range strike. Advances include new radar-absorbent materials, engines with lower heat signatures, and electronic warfare suites. Metamaterials could even bend radar waves, making aircraft nearly undetectable. The goal: stealth across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. It's a holistic approach to air dominance. Directed energy weapons, lasers and microwaves are moving from sci-fi to reality. China is fielding ship and truck-mounted lasers to shoot down drones and missiles, and developing microwave weapons to disable electronics. These systems offer instant engagement and low cost per shot, but require breakthroughs in power generation and beam control. As tech improves, expect these weapons to become a disruptive force on the battlefield. The future of warfare may be fought at the speed of light. Underwater, China is modernizing its submarine fleet and investing in unmanned underwater vehicles or UUVs. New nuclear subs are quieter and harder to detect, while UUVs can perform surveillance, mine laying, or even strikes autonomously. These robotic subs can control vast ocean areas and deny access to adversaries. The underwater domain is becoming as contested as air and space. It's a fundamental shift in naval warfare. Space is the ultimate high ground, vital for communication, navigation and intelligence. China is developing anti-satellite weapons, co-orbital inspector satellites and ground-based lasers to blind enemy sensors. They're also expanding their own satellite constellations and exploring spaceplanes and orbital bombardment systems. Control of space means control of the battlefield below. China's ambition to become a full-spectrum space power. The race for space dominance is on. From hypersonic missiles to quantum-secure networks, these technologies are transforming military power. The integration of AI, advanced materials, and new physics is blurring the lines between domains. It's not about one breakthrough, but a networked force where each element amplifies the others. Which of these advances will be most impactful? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more future tech insights.